Prezi, if you don't already know, it's a presentation software similar to like a PowerPoint. It does a lot more in the way that you can interact with it. You can move through it. We're going to be looking at ways to do that. Just kind of going over just a couple things to remember. It's a good way to, as they'll put it here, captivate your audience to go through stories or your presentation. It's a lot more visually appealing than a PowerPoint presentation or a normal presentation software. You can also easily put in any videos or images that you want to enhance your presentation, and you can immediately share it. It's accessible anywhere. It's basically in the cloud. You can anywhere with an internet connection. Anyone can access it. So let's take a look at it. Alright, first thing you want to do is go to Prezi.com. Alright, and you will get to the main page here. And if you don't already have one, what you'll want to do is go ahead and sign up for an account. If you already have one, you can go ahead and log in, which I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. From your main page, it's real easy to go ahead and just create your first Prezi. So what you're going to do is come over, just click on New Prezi. It'll load up real quick, and again, remember, you're just basically making a presentation. Just instead of using slides, kind of like a PowerPoint, this is more just a big canvas that's going and zooming in. First thing you want to look at is what kind of template you want to go through. It's got some popular choices that you can choose. It's got also some on here. So if we just choose one real quick, we'll say I like the social network. Alright, so once you have your template, what it's going to do is come up. It's already got some built in there, and you're just going to go through. This is the first thing. It goes in order over on the left of which ones it's going to jump to first, second, third. You can change the order if you want to. You can also insert into it. But just like with our normal PowerPoint or any other presentation software, we're just going to go add text, images, videos, whatever we need to. So if I'm just going to go, alright, let's say we're doing a project on, again, going back to the father of geometry. Alright, Euclid. The father of geometry. Alright, well, we've got Euclid. We probably want to add a picture. Alright, so I can insert a picture real quick. Alright, and I can search Google for a picture of Euclid. I found one. Alright, and as it's loading, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. Alright, so I've got Euclid there. He's father of geometry. If we want to, let's say on the next one, and you can continue on just like you would in there. You can add a title to it. Alright, let's say we wanted to go ahead and add in a video in the next one, or even in this one. What we do, just go wherever we want that next one to be. Let's say I'm going to the next slide or part of this canvas. And again, let's say I wanted to insert a video on Euclid. I've got, again, inserting a YouTube video. I've actually got one pulled up here. Right, and we just paste in that URL and insert. And here is our video embedded. And we now have a video embedded in there. Real quick and easy. When we go through and present it, it'll play. You can, again, we can change the order. If you come over here to the left, let's say we wanted the video to go first. Okay, well, I'll just change the order. Alright, I'll go ahead and swap the video, put that first, and go from there. Again, it's just a nice way to, a different way to present it. If you look at it, just going ahead and seeing what it would like, go ahead and allow for control. Alright, seeing what our presentation, again, we would like that the video was first. Alright, so it'll go through and play my video. And then next after the video goes to the just the picture of Euclid and the text that we entered there. Another neat thing that you can do though is in this canvas you can keep zooming in to a particular item of interest. So let's say I'll go back to this one, and you'll notice I put in another picture on here, which in that case turns into the new frame or the next frame in the sequence. Goes to the next frame, and you'll see that there's actually, we can zoom in even closer, we can zoom in even more, and again, to add a new frame to there, let's say I had just add in a simple picture. Right? Let's we add a picture or a video, text, whatever we want, and then let's say I want to continue on zooming in. Alright, I can come up here, make another frame, an invisible, bracket, rectangle. Let's try a bracketed one. Alright, put it wherever you want it on the picture. Alright, go ahead and center it up. Alright, and zoom into the next frame, and that becomes the next one. And again, I can put whatever I want in there, another picture, more text. And if I wanted to, I could continue on zooming. Again, it's just another way to make your presentations just have a little more pop, a little more interest, a little more interesting looking. So go ahead and once you have that, you can view what your presentation looks like. Alright, so this is our presentation. Of course, we would need to go ahead and add a title to it, but this is just for the sake of doing a little learning. Alright, so starting out, we had our video. Alright, we can click on that. It'll go through, show our video. Once that happens, go to the next slide, Euclid Father Geometry. And again, at this point, we did it so that it will keep zooming in. Alright, so it zooms into the next item of interest. Zooms in again. Zooms in. Continues in. Alright, that's just one of the neat things that you can do in that Prezi allows you to do. And then after that it would go to the next slide because that was the next thing that we had in the sequence. So again, a lot of neat things you can do. This is just, again, the bare bones of what Prezi allows you to do, but there's it's just a real dynamic internet-based software that you can use to really make some presentations that pop, that are real eye-catching for your audience. Again, we'll give this a little title here. Going with the theme, Euclid. Alright, once you have it, you're done, you feel good. Another neat thing is that it's going to auto-save as you go along. As long as you have it connected to the internet, it's going to go ahead and save it for you so you won't lose any data. Once you've got it, it's real easy to share. Go ahead and just share. You can download it if you want to, but the easiest way to share it with anyone would just be to give them this link. And go ahead and copy that link. You can email it out to people. You can actually invite people if you know their email addresses. And you can just send them a link so that they can access it right away. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. And the easiest way to learn it is just to go ahead and get your feet wet. So I hope you check out Prezi and see what it can do for you.